I have this wood plaque. Now, any wood plaque will work. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm going to set that aside to dry, and I got this little house hanger from Joann Fabric. I believe it was $6.99, but then you got an additional 70% off. I'm going to take a foam dabber and my Wise Owl chocolate, and I'm going to spray some water on my surface and then apply the chocolate. I almost want it to look more like a stain than a full coverage that paint would give. I found these words, Merry Christmas, from Michaels. I believe they were a couple dollars. And I'm going to use the Wise Owl dried thyme. Now, using a foam dabber to paint these was super easy. And I also used water to give it almost a stained look as well. I have some Jenga blocks. I'm going to glue 2 onto the back side and then stack another one on top of those. So I used a total of 4 Jenga blocks. I'm going to go back to my surface that we painted white once it's dry, and I'm going to glue my houses down. I want these to be a little raised. I did not want them flat on the board. I'm going to drill a small hole into the back side. Be sure you don't go through the front of one of the wood houses. And then I'm going to take some string lights that you can get right from the Dollar Tree, string it through the back side, and then pull it all the way through and hide the string lights behind the raised houses. I kind of just looped it around a couple times and stuffed it into the back. Once I had that situated, you could see how pretty it looks when the lights are turned on. And then I'm going to take my Merry Christmas and glue it right above the houses. I'm using hot glue to hold everything in place, but you can certainly use wood glue as well. To finish it off, I took some Wise Owl Snow Owl on a small art brush, and I'm just going to hit the roof line on each house, giving it a little appearance as if there may be a little snow on the roof. I'm going to glue the battery pack onto the back side, making sure the battery side is facing up so we could change out the batteries when necessary. And then I'm going to hang these little bells on the top right corner. And I love how this came out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.